Hi Year 1 and welcome back to your maths lesson. In maths we are learning to count in multiples of 10. Attached is the PDF that I am going to be working with. So firstly, I would like you to count forwards from 0 to 100 in tens. So using 100 square to help you, we are going to start on 10 and count forward to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now you have a go at home. When you have done that, we are now going to count backwards from 100. Now when we count backwards, the numbers get smaller. So this time, I'm going to start on 100 and count backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Now you have a go at home as well. When you have done that, I would like you to have a go at filling in the missing numbers. Now remember, we are learning to count in multiples of 10. I will do the first one with you, then I would like you at home to have a go at completing the others independently. So firstly, I can see that my number is starting on 10. Next is 20, then we have 30, then 40, and then we have a missing number that we need to fill in. So using my 100 square, I'm going to use this to help me. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Next, I can see that 50 was the missing number. I would like you to have a go at completing the others on your own. Each number is different that it starts with. It doesn't always start from 10, so make sure you are looking really carefully. When you have filled in the missing numbers, move on to question 4. This is having a look at 10p coins, which is money. Now you need to count in multiples of 10 and write the amount in the box below. When you have completed your fluency, as a challenge, move on to the problem solving. Here we have a true or a false. Now remember from our last lesson, I told you that when we were counting in multiples of 10, the number will always end in a 0. That means the 1 digits will always end in a 0. My true or false question is, the number 13 will be said if we count in tens. Will I say the number 13 when counting in multiples of 10? If you think true, I will say it, circle true. If you think no, Miss McGee, you will not say number 13, then that is false, and you circle false. Your next question is a convince me. Convince me that 40 comes before 50 when I count in multiples of 10. So when I count in multiples of 10, will I say 40 before I say 50? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Did I say 40 first? You need to convince me. So I'm just going to write the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Can you see that 40 does come before 50? I have convinced you, I have shown you that it does. And always, sometimes, never question. When I count in steps of 10, the 1 digit stays the same. Have a think about that. Here is the 10s, here are the 1s. Does the 1 digit stay the same? Always stays the same. Sometimes it stays the same, or the 1 digit never stays the same. You need to circle always, sometimes, never. Good luck, year 1.